Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about the technical trends, the direction for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. All right, so as we can see, there is not much momentum. Just a second, let me just remove this tool. Right. So this is something, we are not basically getting any momentum in the Bitcoin, and you can see that the price is still hovering around at 20,000 level. So as of now, still we can take the 20,000 as the resistance level and 19,000 as the support level. Now looking at the whole this 2-3 days momentum, we can see that yes, the price is not moving much, and that's the reason you are just seeing that the price is giving you the dozies or a very small candles. And now we might able to see that the price will come back again to the support level. So till the time the price will be there in this range, in this area, this gonna happen that the price will reach to 20,000, come back to 19, and again it will move towards that 20,000. And once we will see a completely you can say the coming out from this particular range, then we might able to see further momentum. So yes, this is the momentum we can expect for today, that the price will come to the support level. And since there is lack of trading activity, lack of momentum, so not much things are there to discuss today. And if you look at the Ethereum, so this is the Ethereum and this is the daily chart. So as of now, this particular cryptocurrency is also in the range, and the range for this cryptocurrency is 1510, that is the resistance level, and the support level is at 1215. So now the price is lacking momentum here. Look at the volumes, which are also declining every day. So yes, we might able to see that the price will move in this area, in this range only for the next few days. So this is something the moment we will see more momentum, more volumes, more buyers and sellers, then we will able to see the price momentum in the cryptocurrencies. So this is how you can look at these two cryptocurrencies for today. Not much momentum we are expecting for today. So this is all from my side, and thank you so much for watching us.